Hey, it's Aaron, and today we'll be going through the solution for the Winkel. This puzzle is a level 8 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. So, we have the Winkel, a bunch of carpenter squares. We have two, I'm going to call them 3-inch squares, even though I'm pretty sure that this isn't actually an inch. Maybe it is. I don't have a tape measure on me to figure that out. Anyway, we have three of them with a 3-inch, but this one has a shorter leg. Then we have two of these 5-inch, which are longer, and they have the same length leg as the two 3s over here. And we have a left and a right of them. So to start with, we are going to take this one, this 5-inch one, and we'll just put it in the bottom. Then we'll take one of our 3-inch, and we'll take our shorter leg, rotate it, and place it in. Now we can put the 5-inch like so, and then we will also drop this 3-inch. Now it's a little bit tight, but it can be dropped in. And I've had it where it's just dropped in really easy, and sometimes it's tighter. It's just how you manage to put all the pieces in, wiggle everything around. You can probably make it looser. But anyway, that's the solution. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.